Can you get that? We came across the A-pillar to the rocker, broke loose. One of the times the old girl fell off the road. She looks like she's fallen off the road a couple of times. This is the best thing that can happen to her. We're turned into an XL with our new floor. We had to come back in here where the back of the car was spliced to the front of the car. Car was turquoise, back's red, so we're assuming they put a rear clip on it. And talk about no screws. I'm going to show you a little picture where there were some big ass bolts holding this rocker together. Lag bolts. How things were done in the old days. So we've got in there, we've ground that out. We're going to take our epoxy and shoot it in there with a bag. Okay, so we're going to bond our A-pillar back to our rocker. And so we mixed up our epoxy and we put it in our little freezer bag. And we have a little wedge in here. We're going to open that up and he's going to stick that bag in there as far as he can. You're going to squirt some in there. And we're going to watch him how he does this. Putting it in that bag really gets way up inside of there. And so now we're going to come in on the back side a little bit. So he's going to stick that stick way inside of there and make sure it's getting on the top and the bottom so we get good bonding. Does it on the outside a little bit, does it on the inside a little bit. Then he's going to squirt it back the rest of the way in there. That bag's kind of the trick to get it in there. Forces it in there. And so we're going to use a little clamp. Just a little pressure with the vice grip. And then we're going to clean it up. We're going to come back, put some heat on that, and get it back to where it goes. We've already added new bonding strips that fit the inside of the rocker that we make. And we'll do our whole rocker panel in here with our XL floor. Just want to give you a little update what we're doing here, Brent. And she's coming along great. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, Ray, there's a smile for you.